I'm sneaking this microwave into this movie theater. I mean, come on now. Why would I spend $8 on a large popcorn when I could just, one, borrow a microwave from my friend.
So we have the microwave.
Two, spend $4 on a bunch of popcorn. A 12-pack movie theater popcorn, and we're good to go. I then passed by the front security, a second worker, a third one, and the last one. I entered the movie room and I started setting up for electricity. The popcorn started popping and I started getting a few eyes on me.
You did 4 minutes? You're supposed to do 2 minutes, right?